Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, in crypto news today, the U.S. Department of Justice announced a significant shift in its approach to cryptocurrency regulation by disbanding the National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team. This move aligns with the current administration's pro crypto stance and reflects a broader effort to reduce regulatory oversight in the digital asset space. So, in crypto, that is definitely a good move. Good move. Over the past years, all crypto, especially things like XRP, has been getting shut down by the government. Okay. All right. Moving on to the Dow Jones surges amid tariff negotiation optimism. The Dow Jones experienced a substantial, what is this? A substantial rebound, jumping nearly 1,300 points, 3.3% in early trading. This surge was driven by optimism following Trump's remarks on potential trade negotiations with China and South Korea. Tech giants such as Apple, Nvidia, and Tesla led the rally, posting significant gains. Until now, just wait till we get to the charts and you understand why I am saying that. All right. In Forex, currency markets brace for increased volatility. Traders are anticipating heightened currency volatility as ongoing tariff disputes disrupt global trade. The foreign exchange market is experiencing significant swings, with investors closely monitoring developments for potential impacts on currency valuations. Right now, I am in two different currency trades. Right now, I believe it is EU and EA. I've been following these very closely. I have very tight stop losses on these. I have about 11 trades between the two. But yeah, we'll get into that all once we get to the charts. Once we get to the charts. And commodities, let's see. Hold on. Bear with me. Is this it right here? I believe so. And commodities, oil computer. I'm not paying for this. Not paying for it. Yeah, oil prices declined to four-year lows amid trade war fears. Oil prices settled down more than $1 a barrel, reaching four-year lows. This decline is attributed to recession fears by the ongoing trade conflict between the U.S. and China, which are expected to impact global demand for raw materials. Guys, it's I know I say this almost every video, but it's getting bad, especially tomorrow. Tomorrow, well, actually tonight at midnight, that's when all of the big tears goes into effect. All right. Last but not least, we have gold prices fluctuate amid bond yield movements and trade jitters. What's going on with this side? Huh, what's going on, guys? Anyways, gold prices experience fluctuations, powering gains as bond yield climb. However, of an escalating trade war continue to lend support to the precious metal as a safe haven asset. Ooh. Now I'm just checking out my trades. They went up. So yeah, this website is clearly not working. So let's just get straight to the charts. Straight to the charts. SPY starting on the. I'm sorry, Apple. Apple is in a world of hurt. Is in a world of hurt. Things started to bounce back today, and then crashed again. Crashed again. Apple is going through major pains just because China is where they think make all of their iPhones and whatnot. And I believe that they already have received the 100% tariffs today. Well, yeah, today. And I think, what was it, Caroline, whatever the press secretary or whoever she is, I think she made it worse by some crazy mess that she said today. Um, yeah, so let's just look at how everything went today. As you can see, the post market is already down. I don't know if you guys can see this line right here. This is where it is post market. This was the close of the market today. This is post market. As you see, this is on the daily, and it's an candle, engulfing candle. And this is on the 3-day trend line, which is not correct just yet. I believe today is the third day. I believe today is the third day, so I could possibly move it down. Where's my little blue? Come on, yeah, this is it right there. So let's move this up to here. Move that up to there. I like how that looks. I like how that looks. So I'll be looking at Apple coming down to this area right here, 151. That'll be my first TP if I were to get in this trade right now. On the daily, of course, that engulfing. So with the engulfing, it likes to continue. So it's a continuation pattern. Let's go on the 6 hour. Go on the 6 hour. Yeah, 6 hour. It looks like it wants to hold this trend line, but we will see tomorrow. Tomorrow is the big tariff day. Big tariff day. Price is actually right here on this fair value gap that was formed April of last year. Ironically, April of last year. All right, all right. Moving on to Nvidia. Nvidia is down as well. Post market is right here at 92. Could close today in the market at 96. Close today in the market at 96. Not much is going on in the market except for these tariffs. These tariffs. It's a little shaky to be trading, to be swing trading right now on stocks. Definitely a little shaky. That's the daily. Let's look at the 6. The MACD is looking pretty good. Now, if you didn't have the tariffs, I believe this would be a good trade coming soon if you did not have the tariffs. Did not have the tariffs. Bring up SPY. SPY is, the 500 best companies. SPY actually closed below the 200 EMA and went over this 3-day trend line. So what I'm going to do today is delete this trend line and then draw new trend line up here like so, like so. So basically, when price, close above here again, this would be a good buy opportunity. Good buy opportunity. Yeah. So close today at the market end was 496. Right now in the post market, it is 488. Let's look on a daily how it did today. As you can see, the market did go up, but it hit that double fair value gap. So definitely going to be coming down some more. Gonna 6 hour. Basically, all of these stocks. I'm doing all of this live with you guys. I haven't looked at the market really today. I've just been in Forex tough. Just been in Forex tough. Um, yeah, it's basically looking like everything else. Yeah, so far. Yeah, everything else so far. Just because all of these are in the S&P 500. So that's definitely the reason why everything is looking the same. Looking the same. Let's move on to Tesla. Move on to Tesla. So this looks like it was a bearish flag on a 3-day. Let's see. Yep, I will definitely call that a bearish flag. Yeah. Yeah, that's a bearish flag, and then it broke through. Yep. So it's going to continue. It's going to continue. The MACD looks good. Well, you never want to just go off one indicator. You never want to go off one indicator. And this is definitely a. No, this is not a pattern just yet. This is not a pattern. This is not a reversal pattern. Not a reversal pattern. Okay. On a daily, engulfing. And look at the MACD. It's already showing, you know, selling pressure. It's already showing selling pressure based on the daily MACD. Today, Tesla closed at 221. Post market, it is 217. Let's look on the 6 hour because on stocks we use 6 hour instead of the 8 hour. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, bearish confirmation with this engulfing candle, made another fair value gap. Yeah, it's all the same. It's all the same. It's all the same. All right, on to Microsoft. There's another one. On a 3-day, it closed below the 200 EMA. It's definitely a bearish confirmation. It's a little scary too. Yeah, definitely bearish confirmation. I don't know if you want to call this a recession just yet, but it is definitely bearish confirmation. Check these up, fix that. The new trend line. So of course, when the price crosses above this 3-day trend line, it's a good entry, good entry, good entry. On a daily, yeah, strong selling pressure, strong selling pressure. Microsoft closed at the end of the day, 354. In the post market, it is at 349. 349, guys. Yeah, everything just looks the same. Investors and traders are definitely worried. Definitely worried about tomorrow. The uncertainty is killing everyone. Definitely killing everyone. But again, when price close above this trend line on the 3-day, this would be the target. Price likes to get in this area often. Um, and you see the 200-day EMA is up there as well. But this is on the 6-hour chart. All right, on to Forex. Forex. Move back to the 3-day, and now we're going to be using the 8-hour. So, this is one of the trades that I am in. As you see, this is good. Good. On the 3-day, I believe I got in somewhere around here. You see a flag right here. So we should be breaking out sometime. Even though the MACD isn't showing breakout just yet. Stick on the daily. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Um, microphone. Now I believe on microphone you can either go up, you can either break up and or break down. So that this is where you want to watch everything closely. Check volume, which I always forget to check volume, just because I just don't look at it much. However, when I do see a spike up, that's a good sign. What is the 8-hour looking like? The 8-hour is looking good. 8-hour is looking good. Uh, Saw that. Yeah, they broke that trend line. Definitely look better on the 2-hour, I assume. Yeah, definitely looks better. The MACD look good and every on both. Got the MACD, we have about 5 more hours. And the MACD is looking great for this breakout on the trend line, the 8-hour trend line. You see the pole and whatnot. Everything is respecting this 30-day EMA on the 8-hour. Yeah, moving on to GU. This can be a reversal. This can definitely be a reversal based on this candle right here. Now we do have about 2 more days left. I know I probably stated about this trend line earlier. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but I see another trend line right there. So let me move this trend line over, so you guys can see what I see. It actually looks like a up head and shoulders. I see a head and shoulders. I see a head and shoulders. Not really. Yeah, I see that head and shoulders. I see it. You can always do that. Yeah, I see it. But that move has already been done. It already happened. So on the daily, um, this is good. This is good news. This is definitely showing a reversal. Definitely showing a reversal on the daily. Now, price needs to get somewhere between this fair value gap and the EMA for tomorrow for a confirmation on a reversal. Let's look on the 8-hour. 8-hour is definitely showing buying pressure on the MACD. Prices is respecting this 200-day EMA. That is good as well. And is this trend line is a little too steep. A little too steep for my blood. What does it look like? Yeah, the price is definitely on a 2-hour respecting this fair value gap that was made on Monday. yesterday around this time, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. So yeah, that's for GU. UJ. UJ. UJ's not looking too good. UJ's not looking too good. We have about another day. If price close below this 200-day EMA, I am definitely getting in for a short to the downside to this fair value gap. Definitely put my well, no, I think right here at 141 is best. This we got one, two, three. We got this 4, 5. Price came to this area at 141 multiple times. Multiple times. This is back in August of 2022. So this is definitely a good area for a TP. This is definitely a good area for a TP right here. Definitely a good area for a TP. That's only and when price closes below this 200-day EMA. Let's look at what type of profit we can get. About a 2% profit. About a 2% profit, which is actually good because you know Forex brokers. It's all leverage. It's all leverage. So you could potentially get 100% gain. You could definitely get 100% gain. And looks like it's about 300 pips. It's about 300 pips. Yeah. Or is that 2,000? I don't know. I don't know how that works. I just know how to trade. Just know how to trade. So on to the daily. Selling pressure. Selling pressure. Um, we need tomorrow. Now, this is a good selling candle because it closed 50%, more than 50% of the previous candle. Now, this candle has to stay red in order for the trade to work. In order for the trade to work. So let's move on to the 8 hour. Good selling pressure. Looks like that's the reversal right there. This is the reversal right here. This is what we look for. These three candles right here. This is what we look for a reversal. So we had a reversal with three black crows. Yeah, reversal with three black crows. And selling pressure is about to kick up. Maybe I should get in this trade. Maybe I should get in this trade. Yeah. So moving on to AU. Moving on to AU. Alright, assume that let me move this around. Yeah, that's a better trend line right there. That's a better trend line. This is definitely a flag. I see a flag. A bearish flag to be exact. I see a flag. Let me invert that. Sucker. Boom. Boom. Good flag. Good flag. Good flag. Good flag. That happened. What was this? The 3rd of April. 3rd of April. This is on a 3 day. Yeah, so you know price is going to continue to go. Price is going to continue to go. I definitely missed that trade. Like I said, I was sick last week, so I really wasn't doing much. But this was definitely a cookie cutter trade on a 3 day. On a 3 day. Let's invert this back to normal. Click on the daily. Yeah. lots and lots and lots of selling pressure. However, it does look like it's weakening. Weakening. I can barely still barely talk. So when price starts to make that L, price is weakening. With the selling pressure or buying pressure, the trend is weakening. The trend is weakening. And as you see down here, the MACD is turning pink, or whatever color you want to call it, a light red or pastel red or whatever. Price is definitely weakening. Weakening. Now, what do we see here? What do we see here? You see another trend reversal. Another trend reversal pattern. One, two, three. You always want to have multiple ways to get in the trade. Always want to have multiple ways to get into the trade. This is one. This is two. And price did try to grab this fair value gap and the EMA. So, it's definitely a good trade, I believe. But of course, you still want to wait. Still want to wait for more confirmation. Still want to wait. All right, moving on to UC. UC. UCIC. All right, all right. So, what do we have here? What do we have here? You don't want to force nothing. You don't want to force nothing. This is a V reversal. I forget the actual term. However, price is respecting this major trend line on the 3-day. Price is definitely respecting it. Look on the daily. The MACD is showing some buying pressure. Still really don't see a trend. Let's see. I would call this a good trend. I would call this a good trend. It grabbed the 200-day EMA on a daily, and then jumped back up. I would see. What does the eight hour look like? Another reversal. Another reversal. I want you guys to understand this candlestick pattern. You guys need to understand this candlestick pattern. Right in here. This is a good reversal candlestick pattern. So yeah, this is a good trade to get in. Based off that, you got the MACD looking good. Strong bullish candle. Strong bullish candle. Um, yeah, yeah, this was actually the start of the move down here. That was actually the start. All right, all right. So moving on. Moving on to Bitcoin. Boy, boy, boy. Everything was going well. Everything was going well. It's definitely getting into this fair value gap from November election day. It's definitely getting back to this area, which is scary. Which is scary. Um, that's what it did for today. And it golfed this candle yesterday. This undecided doji candle, whatever you want to call it. Um, price is definitely engulfed. It's definitely engulfed it. We have 8 minutes left until my time, 7 o'clock, which is, I believe, 6 o'clock is when we get the new candle for other people. So, engulfing, engulfing. So price. It's a good chance for price to continue. Um, I definitely do not want to see a three black crows. I do not want to see that. But it's definitely looking like it will. What was one of these? Was it Bitcoin? I saw a double bottom forming. Could be Bitcoin. I pray, I hope that we get a double bottom forming. It looks like this could be a double bottom forming um, soon, forming soon. That is best case scenario. The Bitcoin gets a double bottom form down here. Yeah, we need a double bottom. We need that double bottom to stay bullish. To stay bullish. And of course, with Bitcoin, everything else is going to kind of match. Um, we do not want Bitcoin to get back to 67. We do not want it to get there. That's worst case scenario. But however, it's looking like it's going to get there. It's looking like price is hunting for this 208 EMA. It's not good. It's not good. Ethereum. Ethereum. Ethereum is terrible. Ethereum is terrible. It's already back to January of 2023. January of 2023 price. Crazy. But of course, we just gotta break this trend line. Um, Man, I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but I am so tired of this. I'm just tired of it. I'm just tired, tired, tired. I felt like as soon as I learned how to trade, everything started going down. Because last year when I was learning how to trade, everything was just up. Everything was up. This was what, last year? Well, this is ETH. Let's go back to Bitcoin. This is November. This was the summer, I believe. Yeah, this was all last year around this time. It was ranging. It was October. Anywho, let's get back on track. Let's get back on track. Uh, yeah, everything just looks the same. We just need to break this trend line on everything. Ooh, wait a minute, wait a minute. But we only have 4 minutes left. We only have 4 minutes left. Now, however, if Solana can somehow turn green in the next 4 minutes, this would be a good bullish sign. Good bullish sign. What does the 8 hour look like? Wait a minute. This is a bullish candle. Even though it's red, this is a bullish candle. The MACD is looking good as well. Price engulfed. This is an engulfing candle. Now this is the 2 hour. So yeah, we could possibly be looking at a reversal soon. We could be looking at a reversal. I know I don't do this much, often, but let's just see how this works. Hey, it came in this area, which is 0.618. This is a good pullback area. This is a good pullback area from this move down here. So we Solana can possibly be going up, which is good, which is good. Crypto is doing okay. Wish it could be doing better, but when the stock's going down, it gives crypto a better chance of going up. There's a better chance of going up. Let's look at XRP. You can draw this wedge right here. I seen that off the rip. That looks good right there. That definitely looks good. Let's move this down here. This is, we still have a day left. That looks good. That looks good. Hopefully it stays somewhere around here um, till tomorrow. Till tomorrow. What does the daily look like? Price closed below 200-day EMA, which isn't good. Which isn't good. Now, see, this is why traders we use three time frames. We use three time frames. This is why. This is why. Um, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Tomorrow is just too big to really understand what's going to happen. I mean, the short term, the 2 hour time frame. Um, price is. Oh, wait a minute. Nah, I don't see that. Well, on a 2 hour, that's the high. This is the low. It's in that range again. Now, if this holds, this is good. This is good. I believe we were just on Solana, and this happened as well. I wonder if it's on Bitcoin as well. Uh, uh, let's see. Let's see. Nah, no, you can't use that for Bitcoin. You can't use it for Bitcoin. So maybe either XRP and Solana will go up as well. Well, will reverse, or it's going to continue this as well. It's going to continue this as well. All right, on to commodities. On to commodities. We have gold. Um, Gold is definitely showing some bearish activity. We have about 2 days left. Um, yeah. Now this can be a sign of, excuse me, reversal. Let's pull up this fib again. Mmm. This can be a good area. Good area. It definitely grabbed this 618 fib right there. It grabbed it. It grabbed it. So let's delete it. Let's delete this as well. Oh, I gotta update this trend line. Why didn't I do this yesterday? Why didn't I do this yesterday? Yeah, what is it pulling off of? Right there. This is a huge trend line. It's a huge trend line. So it's definitely, you know, hold some weight. Definitely hold some weight. Now, let me delete this as well. Price can be shooting back here for 28.71. You see the MACD is showing some selling pressure. Price rejected off the fair value gap, and we have the engulfing candle on the 3 day. Let's look on the daily. Look on the daily. Now, however, if this price decides to go up any way, this could be an early sign of a reversal. Of a reversal. Yeah, but on the 8 hour, was already a reversal to the downside. And the MACD isn't showing, it's showing bearish pressure. Um, Gold might come down here at 29 on the 8 hour. Gold can definitely be looking to take out this fair value, I mean this EMA and this fair value gap. In the short term, yeah. In the short term, we could be looking at a bounce off this fair value gap. We could be looking for that because price has already rejected. So again, oil and the MACD is showing some selling pressure as well. And this fair value gap is looking like it's going to get taken out. So we will see. We will see. Just need some more time. Need some more time. Silver. It's about the same. It's about the same. Silver is about the same. Yeah, silver is about the same. Price keeps getting rejected in this area. It's about the same. Crude oil. Oil is already. Whew, the article said $1 a barrel or something like that. This is a good structure of price right here. So I can definitely move this down here. Yeah, at least that's the least I can do. Price loves this area. Price loves this area. What about the daily? Yeah, we made another fair value gap. Did I make another trend line? Nah, not really. I mean, you can right there, but just a big fair value gap. Just a big fair value gap. What about the 8 hour? It can bounce back. It can bounce back. It can bounce back. But we're definitely showing in the short term more selling pressure. More selling pressure. This is definitely a breakout right here. Out of here. Definitely a breakout. Definitely a breakout. Yep. Definitely a breakout. Yeah. It's a wedge, I believe, or